Oh, crap, Chloe, on my way.
She's okay. Hi, Ketta. What it do? It's your boy P-Funk, the last disciple. What? Hey, I think we got something. Let's see what it is. Spud, spud. Uh-oh, what we got here? Let's see. Let's check it out. What is it? Hope is what I've been waiting for. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, Lil P. Hopefully it's what I've been waiting for. Bing, 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 bing. It's time to gut it open and see. Let's check it out. Alright. Are you guys excited to see what this is?
Yeah. Yep.
I'm excited to see what it is. I think I know what it is. So, let's check it out. All the little folks say, oh.
Oh.
Let's check this out. Me's excited. Rip it up like a savage.
I can help you guys.
Could you help me?
Yeah.
You could too. Okay, look at us like this. We got these scissors.
Those are new scissors?
No, they're not new scissors.
I thought you said they're new scissors.
Oh, did I walk? My bad, they're not new. Jimmy's pulled from right here, brother. There you go. I was disappointed with the rake because I got it powder coated and it was all rusty. So I'm hoping he did a better job with this. Let's check it out. Hold the box, Jimmy. Okay, wait, sit down. Wait, Jimmy, no, I'm gonna just cut it. No, don't rip it, dude. You don't need it. I love you, Jimmy.
Whoa. Dad already got scissors. Oh yeah, where are they?
Hey, Jim, don't get cut in the mess.
What are you gonna do with it?
He's
gonna hang it up somewhere.
Y'all see that? This motherfucker's heavy too.
Okay.
It's heavy. Feel it?
Yeah.
It's heavy, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
It's heavier than your gun jacks. Obviously.
So there we go. Y'all see what it is. Now I gotta put my burdens on my back, and I'm gonna carry it to the promised land.